Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. We're doing well. Happy Hanukkah. Please allow me to share a short Dvar Torah. 4 minutes. Welcome to the world's largest Hanukkah menorah, right here in the heart of our great city of New York, Fifth Avenue and Grand Army Plaza. This giant gold menorah weighs more than 4,000 pounds and was designed by the world-famous artist Yaakov Agam, based on the Rambam Maimonides' hand drawing of the menorah of the temple in Yerushalayim, Israel. Hanukkah is the festival of light. Hanukkah, we celebrate freedom over oppression, light over darkness, good over evil. Hanukkah is a holiday of miracles. Over 2,000 years ago, the Jewish people in Israel faced religious persecution under the Syrian Greeks, who sought to extinguish our Jewish faith, our Jewish heritage, and our Jewish identity. The Syrian Greeks tried to force the Jewish people to assimilate, to erase our sacred Torah traditions, passed down from our founding fathers Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and our holy matriarchs Sarah, Rebecca, Rachel, and Leah. The Torah of Moses and its prophets. But the Jewish people did not surrender. We stood strong and resilient. Judah the Maccabee and his small, courageous, and fearless army of proud Jews stood strong. Miraculously, the Maccabees were victorious. They triumphed and marched forward. The Maccabees, the Hashmonaim, rededicated the Holy Temple and rekindled the menorah lights in our eternal holy city of Yerushalayim, Israel. The Maccabees found in the Holy Temple only one jar of pure olive oil, miraculously continued to burn brightly for 8 days until new kosher olive oil could be brought. Tonight, as we light the world's largest menorah, we are inspired by the courage of the Maccabees, and we proudly proclaim that their spirit and faith lives on in each and every one of us. From these menorah heights, we proudly proclaim to the whole world, Am Yisrael Chai. Am Yisrael Chai. Am Yisrael Chai. The Jewish people are alive and proud. We are proud Jews. We are an eternal nation. We stand united together as one. We stand with our heads held high and tall. We honor and cherish every human being, regardless of race, color, or creed. Every human being is created as a reflection of the Creator. We are all one under one God. Thanks to the miracle of modern technology and broadcasting, this lighting of the world's largest Hanukkah menorah reaches every continent, every corner of the globe. From New York to New Zealand, from Israel to India, from Africa to Asia, from Australia to America. Our message to every fellow human being is loud and clear. Believe in yourself. Celebrate your God-given soul and your God-given talent. Maximize your potential. You are a walking menorah. You are a beautiful gift of divine light to this world. You are unique and special. The menorah teaches us that every one of us is a source of light. As we light the menorah lights here tonight, and whether you light it on Fifth Avenue or in your home, by yourself or with your family, let us remember what the Hanukkah lights tell us. Every child, every human being, regardless of race, color, or creed, has a pure jar of olive oil within them. Miraculously beautiful light waiting to shine brightly. It is never too late. If not you, then who? And if not now, then when? Growing up in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, New York, we had the privilege of seeing, learning, and hearing the holy words and teachings of the Rebbe, Rabbi Menachem M. Schneerson. The Rebbe teaches us that our mission in life is to bring the divine light into the darkness and all corners of the world, to make our world a beautiful royal garden for our loving Father in heaven, to make our world a divine, beautiful home and royal home and palace. A small amount of light erases much darkness. The Rebbe teaches us that the menorah is lit after the sun sets. We light the menorah when it is dark outside. Mishatishka hachama. This teaches us that we never lose our faith. We never lose our hope. Even when life becomes dark, even when your sun seems to set, we light a match, we light a candle. You can transform darkness into light and pain into pleasure. The menorah lights inspire us to grow. Every day we add one more candle, we don't stagnate. we keep on marching forward. The sign of life is growth, progress, and development. The menorah lights are speaking to you and saying, you have infinite potential. Light your inner candles. Celebrate your unique contribution to the world. Our Father in heaven wants your heart. God and the world are waiting for you. Let us strike our match. Let every human being sing their personal song of life. As per Jewish law, remember that the public menorah publicizes the miracle of Hanukkah around the world, but each and every single one of us must light our own menorah at home tonight. If you need a Hanukkah menorah, please speak to the young Chabad rabbinical students. And we extend a special heartfelt thank you to the Honorable Mayor of the City of New York and the Parks Commissioner. We proudly salute the NYPD police officers for their tireless dedication to keeping us safe. God bless the NYPD. A special thank you to my brother Rabbi Yossi Bookman, who is standing up here at the Menorah Heights and deserves the credit of making the menorah lighting a reality. May God bless him for his tireless dedication and commitment, and for his many years of selfless dedication to all of our Father's holy work on behalf of the Rebbe. I know that our Father is proud of him. And Acharon Chaviv, my brother and I honor the memory of our blessed Father, Rabbi Shmuel Menachem Bookman, whose personal vision, persistence, leadership initiated single-handedly and established in 1977 the world's largest menorah right here in the heart of New York City at 5th Avenue and Grand Army Plaza. Od Avinu Chai, Nazarei B'chaim Afumai Chaim. My father's greatest joy was knowing that he made the Rebbe proud, strengthening Jewish pride and Jewish continuity, and sharing the miracle of Hanukkah with the world. In conclusion, let us enthusiastically publicize the Rebbe's message of good news. The pain and suffering of the world will speedily vanish and disappear. We will very soon merit to see a world of peace, joy, and divine knowledge. A world of Mashiach is on the way. It is up to each and every single one of us to do something in the realm of goodness and kindness to hasten that great day. We want Mashiach now. As a note for you personally, if you want to be a partner with this great mitzvah of lighting the world's largest Hanukkah menorah, please speak to my brother Rabbi Yossi Bookman or email us at chabadinspiration@gmail.com, chabadinspiration@gmail.com. And in last, may God bless you with an abundance of good health, simchas and prosperity. May you be blessed with all which you need in a revealed good way. May God bless the United States of America, a land of freedom and democracy. May these Hanukkah lights, the world's largest menorah, usher in the eternal lights in the third temple in Yerushalayim, Israel, and bring joy, hope, and healing to an everlasting peace to our entire world. Thank you and happy Hanukkah. Dear friends, it is an honor and privilege to honor a dear friend, Mr. Jonathan Atchak, President of IBM Communications. Jonathan, you bring the message of IBM. Tonight you have the opportunity of bringing the message of the menorah to all the people across the globe. Thank you, Jonathan. We are now ready to light. We are now ready to light the candles. Like that individual who was a dear friend, Mr. Rockefeller developer, to light the first candle and recite the blessings. I'm sorry for the mic. For the first candle, my father would like to honor a dear friend of his who was always there as a personal friend. And I know, Rotem, as you light tonight, my father is standing with you. May God bless you and you have success in everything that you do. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Rotem Rosen, a New York City real estate developer.
In honor of your father, Rabbi Shmuel Gutman Tzaddik, Zichrono Levracha, we do and we continue the tradition that he put together. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם אשר קידשנו במצוותיו וציוונו להדליק נר של חנוכה. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שעשה ניסים לאבותינו בימים ההם ובזמן הזה. ברוך אתה אדוני אלוהינו מלך העולם שהחיינו וקיימנו והגיענו לזמן הזה. הנרות הללו שאנו מדליקים, הנרות הללו שאנו מדליקים, על הניסים ועל הנפלאות ועל התשועות ועל התשבחות שעשית לאבותינו, שעשית לאבותינו בימים ההם, בימים ההם, בימים ההם ובזמן הזה.
We now honor Mr. Jonathan Adashak from IBM to recite the prayer of our Menorah Salolo. These are the holy candles which we light. You will recite it, Jonathan, please, in English.
We kindle these lights to commemorate the saving acts, miracles, and wonder which you have performed for our forefathers in those days at this time, through your holy priests. Throughout the 8 days of Hanukkah, these lights are sacred, and we are not permitted to make use of them, but only to look at them and to offer thanks and praise your great name for your miracles, for your wonders, and for your salvations.
Thank you very much. Amen. Together let us sing the famous song of Ma'os Sur, a song of hope. The Jewish people know that the temple will be rebuilt. Ma'os Sur Yeshuati Mechano El Shabeach Tikam Betefilati V'sham et Adan Izabeach L'yetachid Matbeach Mitzura Menabeach Azegmar Meshir Mizmor Chanukah Mizbeach Azegmar Meshir Mizmor Chanukah Mizbeach. Thank you very, very much for attending. May God bless you all for coming out and showing your pride and heritage. The daily lighting will take place 5:30 p.m. Friday at 3:45 p.m. Shabbos Saturday night at 8:30 p.m. Sunday will be a special program with music and donuts and latkes. You are welcome to bring your friends and family and children. A song of peace and hope. Shalom Mimroma. Yaseh Shalom Aleinu V'Yakol Yisrael V'Meru Amen. Yaseh Shalom Shalom Aleinu V'Yakol Yisrael Yaseh Shalom Shalom Aleinu V'Yakol Yisrael. Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom, Shalom Aleinu v'al kol Yisrael. Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom, Shalom Aleinu v'al kol Yisrael. Yaseh Shalom, Yaseh Shalom, Shalom Aleinu v'al kol Yisrael. Leveinu Shalom Aleichem. Leveinu Shalom.